আজকের এই ভিডিও ক্লাসে আপনাদের হাজির করছি। দিস ইজ এ ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট প্রবলেম ফর JEE অ্যাডভান্স অ্যান্ড মেন and also important for the other exam only or either Bengal JEE. Look at the problem. This is the most important problem to finding the domain of this region for integral. Let's see here how can find the domain -1 to 3/2 and what is the modulus value of x of sin pi x, okay, in that interval. Okay, now let's see here. Now this is domain from -1 to 3/2. Okay, then what is the value of within the mod sin x pi x? Okay, let's see here. This is -1 to 3/2. This is -1 to 3/2. Also see that this is the angle of sine, that is pi x. Then if you multiply by pi, then you got the pi x. Therefore the value of the pi x be for sine, that is -pi to 3π/2. Okay, now you can see here, if the value are splitting in the 3 year 4 year 5 part, then you get what the value of that. So see here, if you take -1 to 0, then multiply pi, then the value -pi to 0. So you know the domain of all sin tan cos for the first quadrant, second quadrant, third and fourth. Okay, 3/, -pi to 3π/2. Therefore this is -pi, this is half pi, and this is 3π/2. Okay, so in that interval, the x sin pi x sin pi x mod of what is the value? If we take -1 to 0 and multiply by pi x for pi x, okay, then -pi to 0. So you know the -pi to 0, what is the value of sin pi x? Is always there is a 0 from this domain. Okay, therefore the x mod of sin x, x is negative and sin of this also negative. Their product be negative. Their product be positive. Negative into their positive. So this is more. So you can take x sin pi x, and this is equal to x sin pi x. Okay. Again up to 0. After that 0 to 1. After that 0 to 1. See here, this is 3/2. If we split the value from 0 to 1, then multiply by pi, that is 0, pi x and pi. So see here, that is the value between 0 to pi. So all and sine. This is the cell of all and sine. You know the sine of some angle in between 0 to pi is always positive. So that's why sine of this is positive and x is positive. Positive into positive is positive. So this value is more than 0. Again see here, ending the point here 1. After that we take 1 to 3/2. See here, this is up to 3/2. And again multiply by pi. This is pi x and this is pi 3. This is 3π/2 here. Okay. So see, this is pi. This is 0 to pi. Again, this is pi and goes to this is equal to what? This is pi plus pi/2. Okay. So this is pi plus pi/2 after that. Okay. So no, this is wrong. Here is pi. So this is pi to 3/2, the third quadrant. Okay, this domain lie on the third quadrant. You know the value of sin pi x from pi to 3/2, which lie on the third quadrant, that is negative. So that's why mod of x is positive from 1 to 3/2. So x is positive, but sin pi x is negative. So positive or negative, their product be negative. You can take that is equal to x sin pi x. Okay. So now split the domain from like that, as we see, -1 to 0 to 1 to 3/2. Okay. So from here minus 1 to 0, x sine pi x and dx, plus 0 to 1 mod of x sine pi x and dx, again from 1 to 3 by 8, that is x sine pi x and dx, and this is equal to, from minus 1 to 0, see, from minus, this is positive, and minus 1 to 0 we get x sine pi x. Okay, right here minus 1 to 0, that is x sine pi x. From 0 to 1, 0 to 1, here see, here 0 to 1, we got x sine pi x, that is x sine pi x and dx. Again see 1 to 3 by 2, that is negative only. Okay, this is 1 to 3 by 2, x sine pi x and dx. Okay, and you know the product of x sine x integration is what doing here, x sine pi x and dx. That is the algebra, and this is the trig. We can take as a u on the first position. So this is the integration by parts, sine pi x dx. So if we take x here, so derivative of x here is this, and differentiate of derivative of x is this, and integration of sine x is minus cos pi x by pi and dx. So again x cos pi x by pi plus 1 by pi cos pi x and dx. Okay, and this is equal to x cos pi x by pi plus integration of pi x is sin pi x. Integration of pi x is here sin pi x by pi, that is pi square, that is sin pi x by pi square, pi and therefore it is pi square. Okay, so this is the answer of integration by parts. You can see here x and minus, that is y, and integration of that here is sin x integration is minus by pi. Again got this integration of that is sin pi x by pi. Okay, pi square. So each and every within the bracket here x cos pi x by pi plus sin pi x by pi square from, so sorry, this is minus 1 to 0. Okay, so see the integration, okay, clearly. Plus this minus x cos pi x by pi plus sin pi x by pi square from 0 to 1 plus again minus x cos pi by pi plus sin pi x by pi square from 1 to 3 by 2. Okay, again see, put the value 0 is 0 है, also 0 है. Okay, this is 0 minus, put the minus, then we got minus minus plus cos pi by pi. See here minus minus plus and cos minus plus. Okay, by pi. Again if you put minus, so sin pi is 0 here. Okay, now see here, and this is, if you take 1, that is minus 1, so cos pi by pi. If we put 1, then sin pi, that is 0, sin pi is 0. Okay, 0. If we put 0, 0 is 0. Okay, clear? Again put the value 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 by 2 by pi 2 pi and cos of 3 pi by 2. Okay, 3 pi by 2 1 by pi square, and that is equal to sin pi 3 by 2. Okay, by 2. See here, 3 2 pi cos 3 by 2, that is equal to this is 1 cos pi. Okay, and that is 0. Now again cos pi means minus 1. Okay, 1 by pi, this also 2 pi by pi. 3 minus 3 by 2 pi cos of pi plus pi by 2, and that is equal to minus cos pi by 2. It is from here to this. Okay, minus pi by 2, this is 0. Okay, this is 0. Again plus 1 by pi square, and this also this is sine, then pi plus pi by 2, go to the tan, so minus sine pi by 2, and this is minus 1 here. Okay, again see minus minus plus, and again this is minus, so 1 by 2 pi. So see here, 2 by pi, this is 0, 1 by pi square, and 1 by 2 pi. I think there was some mistake. Yeah, here is some mistake. That was minus, this is minus. Okay, this is minus. See mistake, minus, then plus, and this is minus minus plus. Okay, and this also. Is also minus. Okay, this is minus, and minus plus plus. Okay, I can take LCM, then we got the answer. Oh. 1. This is 1 by pi and cos pi. Okay, this is the answer. Take some pi square, that is 2 pi, that is 1, and that is pi. This is 3 pi plus 1 by pi square. This is your answer. I think better understand all of you. Okay. Now see the second question, which I have introduced, same as finding domain and what is the value. So see there, same as 0 to minus 1 to 3, and I have given you mod x plus mod of x minus 4, and this is dx. Okay, so simplify this integral form minus 1 to 3 mod x and dx, and this is minus 1 to 3 mod of x minus 4 and dx. So see here, mod of x is x when x more than 0, and is minus x when x less than 0. Okay, so that's why split here minus 1 to 3, we go to negative, this is negative, okay, 0 less than 0, so you go to minus 1 to 0, then mod x from 0 to 3 more than, so we have taken plus here. Again see there, if we take 0, x minus 4 equal to 0, then x equal to 4. Okay, so, and this is equal to mod x minus 4 is equal to x minus 4 when x minus 4 is more than 0, and that is equal to x more than 4. Okay, so this is more than 4. Okay, and if it is x minus 4 is minus x minus 4, if it is x minus 4 is less than 0, that is x less than 4. Okay, clear I think. Okay, this is less than 4. See here, this is less than 4. So minus 1 to 3 mod of x minus 4 and dx. So this is whole region is less than, that's why it would be negative. It would be negative. From here, so minus 1 to 0 minus x dx, and from here 0 to 3 plus dx, and again from here minus to 3 negative x minus 4 dx, and do the simple integral and got the answer. Okay. Again see here, integral minus 1 to 3 mod of x minus 1 and 2 minus x, and this is dx. Okay, there is easy simplification, we have done it. Like here, x minus 1 equal to 0, then we got x equal to 1, and 2 minus x is equal to, then we got x equal to 2. This is the most vital point. So this integral would be split from 1 and 2, the in between them. Okay, so minus 1 to 1 mod of x minus 1 and 2 minus x and dx. Okay, then again 1 to 2, then again 1 to 2 mod of x minus 1, 2 minus x and dx. Again from 2 to 3 mod of x minus 1, put like this. Okay, and we have taken the sign of this easily, like here in between the minus 1 to 1. Let us assume in between them, like taking 0, like taking 0.9, and put this position. What is the value? This is negative or positive? Let's see here 0. If we put 0 and here 0, so this is negative and this is positive. Negative is into positive, that is negative. So that's why we have to take in the sign. Here would be minus x minus 1 and x minus 2. So easily we have taken the sign. Now see here 1 to 2. In between them, if we take a value like 1.5, 1.1, let's see here 1.1. This is more than 1, 1.1, this is positive. But here 1.1 positive. Let's say again here less than 2, like 1.9. This is positive and this is also positive. So the product of x minus 2 and 2 minus x, mod of that is positive here. So 1 to 2, x minus 1 and 2 minus x. We have taken easily taken like that, okay? And again see 2 to 3. So see here, if you take the more than 2, like 2.1, this is 2.1 negative and this is 2.1 positive. Their product is negative. Again less than 3, like less than 3, that is 2.9, negative and positive. Their product is negative. So that's why we have taken the sign x minus 1 and 2 minus x. Okay. Again we simplify this. This is the simple integration and finding the easily value. Okay. Bye.